Hi, so I actually got the Woobles Learn to Crochet kit for my son. It's for beginners and he's making Fred the dinosaur. You could see the yarn out and this is him building.
Hi.
Hi. Alright, so what do we have in the Wobbles pack? It's handmade by you, yarn is included, the step-by-step video, and I think that's a game changer. Pre-started piece, a 4mm crochet hook, okay, stuffing, plastic eyes, yarn needle, and online instructions. So I think we are on a spring break and this is what he's trying. So that is the crochet hook that he's using it right now. These are like the small safety pins, and let's see what's inside the box at the moment. We have another yarn right here. We have stuffings. We have a black thread. And we have all the little bits of pieces that we would need to complete this piece. Vivan, how easy are the step-by-step videos?
The videos are really helpful.
Okay.
There's also like a help icon at the bottom. So they have like frequently asked questions and they have like whole separate videos to help you with that.
Okay.
And it's really easy because and it's not like overbearing. Okay. Because they go through it with you like for the first few times that you do it, and then they give you a little bit more independence with keep refreshing. And you can and then their email was really good because I sent them an email about how my design was going and they replied in by the next day. So
okay.
It was really good. Yeah.
Okay, so super cool. And he's 13 years old. He's trying crochet for the first time. We picked it up and I think it is super exciting. It's a skill that he has never tried before and he's trying to build. Yes. And he's taking these small notes right here. Wherein, Vivan, what are these for?
So basically, on the side, there's these V's.
Okay.
And these V's are really important because that's how you keep your crochet. And what they do is in the videos for each round, because a round is kind of like a circle.
Okay.
But each circle is kind of like a spiral.
Okay.
So to make it bigger and bigger and bigger, each round they give you a different pattern, and so you have to use that pattern to draw it. But it's hard to keep track of where you are. So I do, okay, that's a single standard crochet, then that's a double increase stitch, then that's a single crochet, then that's a double increase. So that's how I can remember. That was round 3, I believe. Okay. And then that was round 4. Okay. Those two. And then this hole was round 5. I messed that up a little bit, but then I added some tweaks, and now I'm able to do it.
Okay, thank you very much. And I think so. The kit is designed in USA and it's made in China. But I genuinely feel that they have, they say complete time 3 to 8 years. It can go up 8 to 8 hours. Sorry, not years, hours. It can go up and down depending on where you are. And I'm just super excited that he's trying something new and he's able to figure it out by the step-by-step videos that is provided by the brand. So thank you so much, Wobbles. We really enjoyed opening it and we will share with you the final product.